Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video tutorial. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a skeleton in Synfig Studio. What is Synfig Studio? The Synfig Studio is a software, open source software for for making a 2D animation. So what is this about Synfig Studio? 2D Vector Animation Studio. So this software I am using for 2D animation, not for only character, for motion graphics. Motion graphics is one type of animation. So for motion graphics in any video clip, so I'm using the Synfig Studio for motion graphics. So for some time I use the Synfig Studio for character animation in the motion graphics, because for a very small amount of character animation, so this Synfig Studio 1.5.1, so I'm showing you how to make a skeleton, or you can say the bone. So this technique is applied on 1.5.1 version or later, because the latest version is 1.5.1 and the 1.5.2 is going to beta version. So close this one. So how to make this one? So this technique, if you are using 1.4 version or later this versions, or before this version, so this technique probably doesn't work. So this version, the adding bone is quite different than previous versions, 1.4.2 or something like that. So this is my character, PNG character. So to make a bone, go to this panel, tool panel, and select this bone skeleton tools. Okay, save this one, select the bone tool or shortcut key M. So unselect everything and again choose the bone tool. And drag it here. Okay, select this one, click on in here and add a thigh bone, leg bone, and this feet bone. Okay, so you can see this thigh bone is connected to this one, so connected to this one. So I want to make the same this part in right section to connect this thigh bone. This is the left bone, and I want to make another right side bone the same as before, to connect the bone to this backbone. This is a middle bone, select this one. So it is, so this thigh bone automatically connect to here. So connect, click on here. So you can see the one rope is connected to this one. So this is thigh bone, this is the leg bone, and this is feet bone. So again I want to connect, select this one, this is the origin point, and I want to make a backbone skeleton here. You can see here the backbone automatically connect to this bone. So clicking on here, I want to create a shoulder bone. To make a shoulder bone, click on here on the origin point of the backbone bone. You can see here the bone is connected to this one. So if you change the position, so you can see here. Okay, so if you change this one, you can see here. So again I want to make the same bone as before and just opposite side. So to connect it, to this bone, select this origin point of this bone and make a shoulder bone. You can see here the rope is automatically connected to here. This is a very easy part, and this technique is updated in the new version of the Synfig Studio. Okay, so again I want to make a neck bone. So to connect it, connect the neck bone from this one, to select this one again in the origin point. So shoulder is a neck bone and this is the head bone. So if yes, I have already make a bone. Now I want to select to press the S in shortcut key, select the bone, clicking in here, and if I move the main bone, so you can see here if we change the rest of the part automatically connected. So you can see here So you can see here how can I connect this bone from here. So in the next part I will show you how to connect this bone to this character, because this character is a 2D character. This is a 2D graph character. So you can see here this is a 2D graph. So this part, how can I make a bone, and the next part I will show you how to connect this all skeleton to this character. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new technique. So, bye bye.